I hope you're doing fine, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel, for coming to view, watch and learn, because this is all about positive vibes and making ourselves better. If you haven't watched the previous video, kindly go and watch it. This is the part 2 of what we were sharing in the first vlog, and today we are going to go to the bathroom and washroom side in the toilet so that we can learn more. To start with, you're supposed to wash your rugs. You see the rugs you put near the entrance door, the rug you use to cover your toilet, and the rug that you step on when you go to the toilet. You're supposed to wash them once in a week. If possible, you can wash them twice in a week. Then the towels in the toilet, the hand towel, the bathing towel, you have to wash them once in a week. That way you will keep your space clean and enticing. Then the other thing, you have to clean your floors. You have to scrub them, and you can use different detergents. They will really help you. There is a place whereby I did a video on the detergents that I use, but I'm going to repeat that vlog soon. So make sure that your floors are clean and disinfected. You can even use the normal jig. You pour in the water, you wipe the spaces, and you clean with it the house. Then the other point is whereby you have to scrub your toilet. You see, the toilet is very sensitive, especially these seats. They are very the toilet seats, they are very sensitive, so make sure you scrub them, you make them clean. That is something you should be doing daily, like scrubbing the toilet and washing them. Then the other one, it is whereby you have to wipe your mirrors. You see the mirror in the toilet? You're supposed to wipe it. Don't let it to be dirty. Wake up early in the morning. You can do a little bit of cleaning if you don't have someone to help you, and it will be easy for you. Then the other one, it's where you have to scrub your countertops and sink parts. Yeah, just scrub them. You can scrub them daily if you're able to. If you're not able, you can do it twice or once in a week, and you will be good to go. Then the other one, it's where you have to organize your cabinet. There are those people who are privileged, like they have the cabinets in the washroom. You're supposed to wipe them, like you make them clean after you're done with your preparation of the day. Sorry for that. After you pole, after you're through with your preparation, just make sure that you clean and dry your cabinets. Then the other point, it's whereby you have to, just a minute, I have someone here who is talking at the same time, but all the same, well and good. You also have to empty your trash. You see, the same way we did to the kitchen, like each and every day you have to empty your trash, the same thing you're supposed to do in your bathroom. Don't forget, just remove the trash, and it will be good to go. Then the other thing, it's whereby you have to open your windows at least, so that you can get fresh air after you've used them, or maybe when you're leaving, you can open the windows so that you can get fresh air. At the same time, you have to refreshen up each and every time you use your bathroom. It doesn't matter whether you're using it to take shower or you're using it on the toilet side. Just make sure each and every time you air freshen it. You can use different types of air freshener depending on what you like, the scent that you like. and it will be of help to you. Then without forgetting, you have to dry your kidogo. You have to dry your toilet floors. Like after you scrub them and you wash them, you have to dry them. You know, sometimes you go there, you use Nini soap, it's sliding, it can cause damage. So please make sure that your toilet floors have been dried up. Then at the same time, you can remove the excess that you're not using, be it tissue, sanitary towels, and the detergents. Kindly, you can remove them. You can remove them and make the space clean. Then the other thing, you have to check on the drainage. You know, toilets are very sensitive. Anyway, if it happens that they are not working, it will be a bit complicated for you. So you have to make sure that all the drainages are working. Then last but not least, just a minute. Last but not least, for the bathroom, if you have the bathroom curtains whereby you hanging them on the bathroom side where you're taking your shower, kindly you can make them clean, you can wash them. Anyway guys, I'm so much thankful for you watching this vlog. I don't take it for granted. If you like this kind of content, sit down tips and learning, kindly subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, and continue spreading love with good intention. Bye bye, see you in the next one. Thank you.